Hi boys and girls. Okay, today we're going to be creating the center part of our flower using tissue paper and giving it that 3D feeling, okay? So your choices, you're going to probably find some strips. It'd be nice if these were all cut into squares, but you may have to do that yourself. If you find a strip like this, and I was debating, since my flower's cool, I want to use cool colors. I might use turquoise, I might use purple. I could use both. I think I'm going to do turquoise. Because I don't see this blue in there. If I put the orange, I feel like it's gonna look more like the background, too much like the background. I could do white, or this is light pink. Light pink would be interesting. I wish I had white, actually. Maybe I'll have to look for some white, because I feel like white would be a good color for mine. Here's some white. So depending on what kind of tissue paper we have, wherever I'm at, there's different assortments. If I'm at Grant Wood, some of it hasn't been cut yet. So if you find a piece like this, you're going to want to cut it into squares like that. They don't have to be perfect squares, but cut yourself some squares. I'm going to do that real quick. And then you're going to take those squares, and you'll need a glue bottle for this. Okay, I'm back. I had a little disturbance there. Someone came to the door. So you're going to take your tissue paper and wrap it around the back end of a pencil. And it doesn't even matter what kind of pencil, just around the back end. I like the smaller one. And then you're going to put a dot of glue on your paper and set it down into it. So you could even pre-do a couple of dots here if you knew you were gonna. I might just do some like this, and then go ahead and set that one down into it. You want to crunch this kind of tight. Okay, pinch it tight, like that, so it stays wrapped up. If you just stick it on there like that, it's going to be flat, and you don't want that. The way I do it is I start to bend it like this, then I let go of that end, and I use both hands to smash it around the bottom of the pencil like that, so that it has a nice tight, there. Now, it looks like on this one that somebody was just like wadding it up into a ball. I suppose that would work too. I kind of like it the way it looks when it's all kind of coming up at you. But I suppose you could wad it up into little balls and stick those on there, and you'll get a 3D feeling too. Totally up to you. So wrap it around, pinch it, squeeze it, smash it, make sure it's nice and tight on the end of your pencil. Set it into the glue, and then just use your finger to kind of hold on to that and slide it off. And you're going to fill up that whole center area with whatever color tissue you think looks good. And when you're done, you're going to need to take a picture of this and put it in your Sony account. Then this goes on the drying rack because obviously you've got all that glue. Okay? Your goal is to get that done today and photographed, because we will be moving on to another project next week.